Hey everyone, welcome back to A-ZFloraJourney. Today we're diving deep into one of my absolute favorite houseplants, the gorgeous Pothos, also known as Epipremnum Aureum. I absolutely love this plant because it's super easy to grow, adds a stunning green vibe to any space, and it's even known to purify the air. This trailing beauty has been stealing hearts in homes worldwide, and honestly, I can see why. But here's the thing. Even though Pothos is often called a beginner-friendly plant, I've noticed that many plant parents still struggle with keeping theirs truly thriving. Maybe your leaves are turning yellow, or perhaps your Pothos just isn't growing as lush as you'd hoped. Don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll have all the secrets to become a Pothos expert. Let's unlock the secrets to keeping yours lush, healthy, and gorgeous.
What is Pothos? First, let's get to know our plant. The scientific name is Epipremnum Aureum, but you might also hear it called devil's ivy, though it's not nearly as tricky as the name suggests. Originally from the tropical forests of the Solomon Islands and Southeast Asia, in its natural habitat, it's actually a climbing vine that can reach incredible heights of up to 40 feet. Now it's a popular houseplant all over the world because it's low maintenance and very adaptable. The beauty and benefits. What makes Pothos so special? Those heart-shaped, glossy leaves with gorgeous variegation patterns are absolutely mesmerizing. But beyond beauty, Pothos is a natural air purifier. It helps remove formaldehyde, benzene, and xylene from your indoor air. Plus, its trailing nature makes it perfect for hanging baskets, shelves, or training up moss poles.
How to care for Pothos. Let's talk care. Get these basics right and your Pothos will thrive. Light requirements. Pothos thrives in bright, indirect light. Think of a spot near an east or north-facing window, or a few feet back from a south-facing window. While it can tolerate lower light conditions, you'll notice slower growth and less vibrant variegation. Avoid direct sunlight. It can actually scorch those beautiful leaves. Watering. Here's where many people go wrong. Pothos prefers to dry out between waterings. Stick your finger about 1 to 2 inches into the soil. If it's dry, it's time to water thoroughly until water drains from the bottom. Typically, this means watering every 1 to 2 weeks, but always check the soil rather than following a strict schedule. Temperature and humidity. Pothos loves temperatures between 18 to 30 degrees Celsius, which makes it perfect for most homes. For humidity, aim for 40 to 60%. If your home is dry, try placing a humidifier nearby or setting your plant on a pebble tray with water. Best growing medium. Use a well-draining potting mix. A standard indoor plant mix works perfectly. You can enhance drainage by adding perlite or orchid bark. Good drainage is crucial to prevent root rot. Fertilizing. During the growing season, spring and summer, feed your Pothos monthly with a balanced, diluted liquid fertilizer. In fall and winter, reduce to every 6 to 8 weeks or stop entirely. Pruning. Prune leggy stems to encourage bushiness. Regular pruning keeps your Pothos full and healthy. Simply cut just above a node using clean scissors. Don't throw those cuttings away. They're perfect for propagation.
Common problems and solutions. Even with great care, issues pop up. Let's troubleshoot. Problem 1. Yellow leaves. Cause overwatering, poor drainage, or natural aging of older leaves. Solution: check roots for rot, cut back on watering, ensure pot has drainage holes, remove yellow leaves, and adjust watering frequency. Problem 2. Brown leaf tips. Cause: low humidity, fluoride in tap water, or over-fertilizing. Solution: mist occasionally or use a humidifier. Use filtered water and reduce fertilizer frequency. Problem 3. Leggy growth. Long vines, few leaves. Cause: not enough light. Solution: move to a brighter location with indirect light. Prune back leggy vines to encourage bushier growth.
Problem 4. Leaves curling or drooping. Cause underwatering or root issues. Solution: check soil moisture and adjust watering schedule. Problem 5. Slow or no growth. Cause: inadequate light, lack of nutrients, or dormancy period. Solution: ensure proper lighting and resume fertilizing during growing season. Common pests and diseases. Problem: mealybugs or spider mites. Cause: pest infestation enhanced by dry conditions, poor air circulation, and lack of cleaning. Solution: increase humidity, improve air circulation, and treat with neem oil or insecticidal soap. Problem: root rot. Cause: overwatering and poor drainage. Solution: remove from soil, trim black or mushy roots, repot in fresh, well-draining soil, and adjust watering habits.
How to propagate pothos. Propagation is super easy. You can propagate in water or soil. Here's how. For water propagation: 1. Cut a healthy vine just below a node. Make sure it has 3 to 4 leaves. 2. Place the cutting in water, ensuring the node is submerged. 3. Keep it in a bright, indirect light spot. Roots will develop in 2 to 4 weeks. 4. Once roots are about 2 inches long, transfer to soil. For soil propagation, plant the cutting directly in moist potting mix and keep it consistently moist until established. Potting and repotting. Repot your pothos every 1 to 2 years or when you see roots coming out of drainage holes. Choose a pot only 1 to 2 inches larger than the current one. Spring is the ideal time for repotting. Use fresh potting mix and gently tease apart any root-bound sections before placing in the new pot. Bonus tips and decor ideas. Here are some pro tips. Train your pothos up a moss pole for larger, more fenestrated leaves. Create stunning living walls by letting multiple plants cascade from wall-mounted planters. Mix different pothos varieties. Try golden pothos with marble queen, or neon pothos for visual interest. And remember, pothos looks amazing in macrame hangers or trailing from tall bookshelves. And there you have it, everything you need to know to keep your pothos absolutely thriving. Remember, the key is finding that perfect balance of light, water, and care. Your pothos will reward you with gorgeous, cascading growth that brings life to any space. Did this video help you troubleshoot your pothos problems? Drop a comment below and let me know. Don't forget to like this video if it was helpful, subscribe to A-ZFloraJourney for more plant care guides, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our latest plant adventures. Until next time, happy growing!